This lesson examines the PBB DA81 6x4.5-inch double-acting spring hinge, including its mounting template, published capacity, clearances, and tension setup.
Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the PBB. This is their part number DA81. This is a double-acting spring hinge is what it is. I have one here on my desk. The easiest way to probably tell you what this is that this is a Bomber 3029 6x4.5. If you know these hinges at all, you would certainly know that hinge. So it is a double-acting spring hinge intended for doors up to 1 3/4 thick. It's what they would call a 6-inch, except it's 6x4.5 because the door leaf is a 4.5-inch templated door leaf. Let's take some basic dimensional properties just to put some scale on it. Overall height of this hinge is about 7 1/4. Overall width about 4.5. The cavity between the two barrels about 2 inch or so. 1 3/4 thick doors. Could you force a thicker door in here? You could. It's not intended for it. You'd have to notch the door most certainly, and the spring rate is probably inappropriate as well.
DA81 identifies PBB's standard weight, full-mortise, double-acting spring hinge. In this configuration, the jamb flange is 6 inches high, the door flange is 4.5 inches, the base material is steel, and 652 or US 26D is satin chrome plated. The door flange is designed for a standard 4.5 inch by 4.5 inch template mortise on a 1 3/4 inch hollow metal or wood door. The jamb flange is surface applied, so no hanging strip is required. Use the current DA81-45 template and never scale a printed drawing.
When you order one of these, you're going to get a package of screws. Looks like you're going to get, well, you would think that you're getting all machine and half wood. Yeah, I would say you're getting all machine. And all wood, it appears. Looks like you can do metal by metal, metal by wood, wood by metal, wood by wood, is what it appears to be. You're also going to get 2 tension pins. They're generally inserted in the tension collars. When you install this hinge, you're going to want the tension collars pointed towards the top of the door, is typical, unless you're doing a pair of doors, in which case one leaf will have the collars towards the bottom. There are arrows that are here, which means it doesn't really matter how you install them. If you're going to increase tension, you'll insert the tension rod, and you're going to turn that in the direction of the arrow, okay, clockwise when it is installed at the top, and into one of these holes, you're going to insert the tension pin. Here you go. Let's put the other one in just so that it's not rolling around on my desk. In terms of there being tension pins, you have to have those. It's just not going to work without a tension pin. You're going to need a tension rod. You're going to need a piece of steel that's not going to bend while you're turning that over.
Published DA81 data lists 2 hinges for a door up to 75 pounds and 2 feet 8 inches wide, or 3 hinges for a door up to 107 pounds and 3 feet wide, at 7 feet high and 1 3/4 inches thick. PBB advises 3 hinges, with the center hinge close to the top, for maximum support. Verify the current table for the actual opening. The current template states that a single door needs the actual door width plus 1/2 inch when surface applied, or plus 7/16 when the door flange is mortised. For a pair, the corresponding published additions are 1 1/32 inches or 13/16. The same template says not to use this hinge on a beveled hinge edge. Hang the door plumb, square, aligned, and free swinging before loading the springs. With the door closed, use the tension rod only in the direction of the stamped arrow, move the retaining pin in controlled steps, load the top hinges as instructed, and test closing and latching after each change. Wind, gaskets, air pressure, drag, or misalignment can prevent latching. Do not compensate blindly with excess spring force.
Any questions on the DA81 6x4.5 652 or any other PBB product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.
For the current product page, submittal, and template, use the links in the description. Verify the actual door, frame, rating, and local requirements before installation.